Hi everybody, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about how to fix error code 0xc and a lot of zeros and E in Windows 11. So basically this is going to be the error code, and before we dive in, there's a link in the description guys that you can access to simply subscribing and also donating to our channel, so that will be super awesome if you do that. Now jumping on to the video and its fixes for this error code. It is really annoying and popular on Windows 11. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to be checking your external physical devices and make sure that everything is working perfectly fine, like for example your hard drives, if you have any USB or thumb drives attached, and data materials such as CDs or DVDs if supported. Now what you're going to do is simply you're going to be rebuilding your BCD startup configuration data. So what that is, you're going to be, since your PC isn't booting correctly, start by creating bootable USB stick by following the instruction. So you are going to be basically making a bootable USB drive and try simply restarting your resetting your operating system. Once you connect that, you're going to be simply installing your bootable USB stick, and that is quite simple if you do that. Now for the Windows startup help, what you're going to do is first restart your Windows from bootable menu and go to, like for example, computer and repair options. So when you are booting your PC, you have this option to repair it, and then you're going to be heading over to troubleshooting from there in advanced option and startup help. Then Windows will automatically scan the systems for potential issues and stuff like that, in eventually fixing it up. So most probably this is going to be fixing up this error code, which is really common and nothing to worry about. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can consider donating to our channel by link in the description below. Subscribe and see you guys in the next one.